guys, how are you? Trust all of you are doing super great. This YouTube channel by Malika Munyandi Princess, it's me, yeah? It's not for fun. My true intention is to give awareness and realizations on how important is water in our daily life. Don't underestimate the importance of water. Water playing a miracle role in our health and beauty. Do you know how important is clean water for our health? We are spending so much of money in our beauty products, vitamins and minerals. But in fact, you have a simple remedy that will make you glow, which is water. What are the impact when your body not enough water? Joint pains. When your body insufficient water or liquid in your joints, it caused joint pains, which mostly elderly people are facing this problem. Body temperature imbalance. To get your digestion in process well, you need water. Oxygen circulations in your body supported by water. It's make sure there is an equal level of oxygens in your body. Brain unable to manufacture hormones. You need water. To grow the body cells, you need water. Body waste not been well flushed. This is where the accumulation of toxin happens. It will harm you. You need to flush it out. Drink water. Itchy scalp, acne, pimples, dry skin, breaking nails. Due to insufficient of water, you are getting dry. Breaking of nails. You need 18% of water level in your nail. When the level of water are less than 18%, this is where you are facing breaking nails. Eye bags, dry lips. I think most of the ladies are getting worried when this really affected them. Why? Your lack of water. Obesity, aging lines, also due to lack of water. Accumulated of body waste. You need to flush it out daily. You need water. It keeps your skin looking young. This is what most of us are expecting for. In fact, water are helping you to look young. Within a condition, you must consume substantial volume of water. Water increases skin elasticity. It makes your skin glow. Combat skin conditions like eczema. Prevent peeling, especially your nails, and prevent bloatings. Dry eyes is another issue. I think many of us are having this. You know why? Because you're not enough water. Flush out the body. You need water to clean your body from any bacteria. Open pores detoxes the skin. Sweat allows the body to detoxify, and it need to be replenished with water. Helps prolong workouts. You must have substantial volume of water in your body, as when you exercise, you are sweating, and you need to make sure you are rehydrated. Hydrates the skin foundation. Generally, we understand what are the roles of water in our daily routine life. Value the water. It's very precious. Don't see it just as a water. Clean water is our life. Please help to value the water. Let's hold the hand together to make sure water being valued. Thank you.